know about that Grok life. Elon really know about that Grok life. And we really all about that. Grok life, Grok Nation. Still chillin', still chillin', still campaigning.
Would you like your crypto project to have a daily update for your community just like this one? Contact us on X today to find out how you can at @MemeGrokCoin.
Welcome, Grok Nation. Thanks for joining me today. Check out the GROKRadio playlist in this channel for amazing Grok music. Subscribing, liking, commenting, and pressing that notification bell is very appreciated. This supports your investment. Now let's compare from yesterday's metrics.
The price today for your token is 0.0079 cents, down 2.91%, with volume down 16.35%. The price is ranging from a high of 0.0082 and a low of 0.0075. CoinGecko is showing a market cap of 50 million for 132,000, which is down, and a trading volume of 6,189,000, which is down. Etherscan is showing 19,586 holders, which is up 5 holders. CoinGecko shows the top 3 exchanges by volume are number 1 Gate.io with 27.25%, number 2 is HTX with 21.79%, and number 3, BingX with 11.22%. For our social presence, on X, our main account has 22,900 followers, and our main Telegram channel has 25,806 members, which is down 25.
I hope everyone watching today is living their best Grok life, and I'll see you tomorrow. Grok Radio, Grok Life, Grok Nation.
What you really know about that Grok life? You don't really know about that Grok life. Elon really know about that Grok life.
Quickly before you go, can you predict tomorrow's price? Let us know in the comments.
We're going to the moon, bitches.
Holy guacamole, this shit is pumping, yeah. We be going to the billions now, hey. Steady breaking our time high, this shit is pumping. Grok is popping, yeah. Go spread the news around, now Grok is coming with fire, hey. Go tell your friends around, now Grok is coming with fire. Ella knows about the Grok life. Pepe knows about the Grok life, yeah. Floki knows about the Grok life. Even Shiba Inu loves the Grok life, yeah. Love is contagious. Grok is contagious. Grok is contagious. The love is contagious. Grok is contagious. I said it before and I say it again. Grok is the best meme coin in the game. We've done it before and we do it again. Take it to $1 billion again and again.
We're going to the moon, bitches.
The love is contagious.